Hello, I'm doing a series of videos talking about the 7 types of rest that we need. And right now I want to talk about creative rest. Creative rest inspires the childlike wonder inside of all of us. It makes you feel inspired, it makes you feel curious, it makes you feel excited, it gives you a joy of life. When you have a creative rest deficit, you have problems coming up with creative ideas. You have problems innovating. It may look like writer's block, or you can't come up with an idea for a new TikTok video. You may have a lack of a joy of life. You don't feel a joy of life anymore. These are signs that you need creative rest. So some ways to get creative rest are to enjoy beauty. Look at things that you consider beautiful. Maybe it's art. Look at art, museums, statues, paintings that you consider beautiful. Maybe it's listen to some music that can inspire creative rest. If you're in an office and you're trying to be creative and you have white walls, that's not going to inspire creativity. So you want to put up paintings that depict things that inspire you, whether it's beauty or whatever it is that inspires you, and that will spark your creativity. Another solution to creative rest is to get out into nature. Or finally, you can experience, you can watch, you can listen to, look at things that are excellence in the field that you're trying to create in. So if you're trying to write a song, have a playlist of songs with incredible lyrics, just incredibly written songs to inspire you. So excellence in the field you're trying to create in will inspire you. And these are the things that will give you creative rest.